Guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, a lot of news on the front apart from the Bitcoin plunging down below $20,000. Here's the interesting one. Like the number of crypto billionaires are growing fast within the entire crypto space. And so far, the renowned faces amongst the crypto billionaires are the 21 in number. And basically, I do not think that that's the exact number. Why? Because a lot of people are unknown in that sense. Probably they have not disclosed the amount of value that they have earned through the cryptocurrency, but over a period of time we happen to know them. Some of them admitting on the YouTube itself, some of them like probably the Meta Coven, that guy, why the name Vignesh, the Indian guy who bought the $69 million NFT. He's also a billionaire, but they're among the renowned faces. For example, the ex-FTX founder, the Ethereum founder, probably the Cardano founder. You name a lot of people, those are the known faces amongst the billionaire. Now, here are some of the questions that we need to understand is like, number one, why are the crypto billionaires rising every year? And the reason is simple. The industry is growing exponentially, where the number of users being adopted within the industry are growing significantly. Right now, more than 300 million users have entered into the market. And this is how the Metcalfe's law works. Basically, the number of users, let's say initially it was one user joined to a network, and then the moment the another user joins, two users join, the value of the network goes exponentially high. And then three users join, value goes exponentially high. So just imagine, based on the network effect, when you have so many people joining and the new money coming into the market, the original investment on the previous cryptos definitely increased significantly high. And that is the reason so much of the billionaires, apart from these founders of the exchanges and the big names that we are hearing, even a lot of other peoples have made it big. Now, how many crypto billionaires are there? I mean, that's what they write as of now, 19 crypto billionaires. That includes probably Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder of the Bitcoin, Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, who holds 290,000 Ethereum, the FTX founder, the Coinbase founder, so much of the people. But let me tell you, this is not the exact number. The exact number would be far higher. At least it would be double the number. Why? Because a lot of crypto billionaires have emerged out, and the beauty of the blockchain is you do not have to disclose how much money that you have earned, and nobody can find out unless until you disclose it. And a lot of people have come out like via their YouTube channels and stuff. They are the billionaires, but a lot of them have not. So that's the case. Now, who is the richest among the billionaires? So far, it is known the CEO and the founder of Binance, Changpeng Zhao, which is who is by the name CZ Binance onto the crypto Twitter. He's the richest crypto billionaire. He has assets of over $20 billion. And obviously, not just within the crypto, he's the richest. He's considered one of the richest within the entire world. Now, he owns 70% of the Binance shares. He owns BNB token. He owns Bitcoin, right? So much of the things. And apart from that, even amongst the rich list lies the FTX founder. Probably he's like the Sam Bankman-Fried, and the founders of the Coinbase exchange, Brian Armstrong. All these people have literally got significant sum of money. Having said that, probably one of the guy could be richer than all of them, and that is Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows about him. He's the founder of Bitcoin, and basically he's supposed to hold, like he holds 1 million Bitcoin. That is quite a huge number. Now, who is the youngest crypto billionaire? The latest and the youngest crypto billionaire would be the CEO and the founder of FTX exchange, Sam Bankman-Fried. And obviously, as the price of Ethereum rose, Vitalik Buterin, the CEO and the founder of Ethereum, became the youngest crypto billionaire as well. Now, who are the largest Bitcoin holder? Here's the thing. We all need to understand, okay, number one, Satoshi Nakamoto, he has 1 million Bitcoin, but he does not hold it in one single address. He holds it in several addresses. So there is no hard and fast rule. You just have to have one address as an individual. You can have as many addresses, and you can divide your holdings amongst those addresses. And similarly, the Grayscale and Binance have like combined 1 million Bitcoins as well. The Binance has 400,000 Bitcoin. Grayscale has 600,000 Bitcoin. and MicroStrategy has over 100,000 bitcoins. So much of the numbers out there, guys. And again, like, you do not have to disclose. These are the people who have literally disclosed it themselves. Apart from Satoshi Nakamoto, he himself, like, he's the founder, so everyone knows about this holding from a long time back. Even the wallets are known, as well as the MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor has been consistently talking about it. So these are the facts about the billionaires we all need to be knowing about, and definitely a lot of people are out here to become millionaires and multimillionaires, and definitely you stay here long enough, you work long enough during the field, you will become one. Now, coming on to the next part, Taco Bell wants you hitched in the metaverse. So basically, the Taco Bell is arranging for a grand wedding within the metaverse platform. So basically, one couple will be, as you can see, the chain has called for engaged couples to enter a competition to win the brand's first legally recognized metaverse wedding package, with a ceremony and reception to take place in the virtual world of Decentraland. According to Taco Bell, the ceremony and reception will include NFT invitation. So basically, instead of invitation card, you will be having the NFT invitation, custom design wedding attire your avatar will be wearing within the metaverse, and you will be able to bring the virtual guests as well, who can partake in the traditional wedding day celebrations, which holds some musical entertainment and everything. So that is like one of the beauty of the metaverse unfolding slowly and steadily. And literally, to promote the event, they are even announcing for this giveaway. Like the couple can actually enter into the competition, and they are going to get this. As you can see, we are looking for one lucky couple and enter over this contest. And as the winners will, as you can see, wait a minute. So engaged couples can enter competition between 25th August to 6th September to win the brand's first metaverse wedding package. So basically, the couples who are engaged yet awaited to be married, one of them, like, this is the competition that they can enter, and they can be the lucky winner of all this thing. The grand live stream of whole event will happen, and probably it could be like one of the few that will be marked in the history. So that's quite an exciting news related with the metaverse. Apart from all the tanking that has happened during the bear market, we are having the development happening within the metaverse in terms of these events. Now, coming on to the next news, probably Cardano outranks Bitcoin in global top intimate brands. Now here, it is like competing. What is the intimate brand? It is the brands which is intimacy of a brand is measured by the connection its holders are having, or its customers are having with the brand. So basically, Cardano founders, it ranks 26 out of the 600 global brands. Now, what are those brands even included? Not just the crypto market, but Google. We are talking about Google, Facebook, and a lot of big names out there, Amazon, Apple, right? And out of those, Cardano has ranked 26. And let me be honest, like, I have seen the community, the Facebook community, they're very, very loyal to the Cardano, the holders, and especially with the price tanking so much, probably, obviously, just like any other cryptocurrency, still the community remains loyal. And it even outranked, as you can see, the competition included Disney, Tesla, and Apple. Brands like Uniswap and Solana got the number 261, 265. Bitcoin got the number 30, but Cardano got the number 26. That's quite interesting. Now, as we all know, the Bitcoin plunged below $20,000 after Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's hawkish statements day before yesterday. And right after that, like, the Bitcoin, apart from plunging $20,000 from the US stock market, more than, like, the US alone, more than $1.25 trillion were wiped out in a day after the meeting. And this is more than the entire crypto market. Probably it speaks a lot, because, like, obviously the effects of the hawkish statement of the Fed and the stocks declining and stuff. And apart from that, it even speaks of the volume for how low the entire crypto market is as compared to the stock. So a lot to come in the future. So I think, guys, for today, that's enough. I hope that you found the video helpful. Again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. The channel is everything about how do we grow your finances to the hilt. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you like the content. And please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. You want daily updates onto what is happening within the crypto world. Apart from that, the best investment opportunities and everything to do with the crypto. So again, guys, that's it for the video, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.